The mega earthquake, North America's imminent catastrophe. To understand the future, we must first look to the past. North America has a long and violent history with earthquakes, from the powerful tremors of the San Andreas Fault to the devastating quake that struck Alaska in 1964. These events, though calamitous, pale in comparison to what experts predict is coming. The Pacific Northwest is sitting on a ticking time bomb. The Cascadia Subduction Zone, a 700-mile stretch where the Juan de Fuca plate is sliding beneath the North American plate, is capable of producing a magnitude 9.0 earthquake or higher. It's not a question of if, but when. The Cascadia Subduction Zone last ruptured in 1700, causing a massive earthquake and subsequent tsunami that devastated coastlines as far away as Japan. Geological records and oral histories from indigenous peoples provide evidence of this cataclysmic event. Today, the potential impact of a mega earthquake in this region is staggering. With millions of people living in major cities like Seattle, Portland, and Vancouver, the human and economic toll would be unprecedented. Estimates suggest that a magnitude 9.0 earthquake could result in over 10,000 fatalities, tens of thousands of injuries, and displace hundreds of thousands of residents. The financial cost could soar into the hundreds of billions, crippling the economy and leaving lasting scars on the region. Our infrastructure is not built to withstand such a powerful quake. Bridges, roads, and buildings, especially those constructed before modern seismic codes, are at significant risk of collapse. The aftermath would see widespread power outages, ruptured gas lines, and compromised water supplies. Despite these dire predictions, there are steps being taken to mitigate the impact. Governments and organizations are investing in early warning systems, earthquake-resistant construction, and public awareness campaigns, but the question remains, will it be enough? Preparedness can save lives. Drills, emergency kits, and having a plan are crucial for individuals and families living in earthquake-prone areas. Communities must come together to build resilience and ensure swift and effective responses when disaster strikes. When the ground started shaking, it felt like the world was ending. We were lucky to make it out alive, but the damage to our home and community was devastating. It's something you never think will happen to you until it does. The aftershocks, the fear, the uncertainty, it changes you forever. The mega earthquake is not just a scientific prediction, it's a looming reality. As we continue to study, prepare, and adapt, we must remember the lessons of the past and the warnings of the present. The time to act is now, before the sleeping giant awakens and reshapes the future of North America. Most affected areas: Seattle, Washington, Portland, Oregon, Vancouver, British Columbia,